Good morning, gang. Today we are going to install LED lights on my truck bed. Take a look at it. Okay, let's get to it. All right, folks. I purchased these LED lights in Amazon. We will go ahead and post the link so you guys can take a look at it if you want to install them in your truck or your car. So let me tell you what we did first. The first thing I did was install a wire harness from the control switch from the engine all the way to the back. So that's already done. We'll show you some pictures of that. And then next, what we did, we added wires, an extension, probably about 9-10 feet of wire, so I can fish it from under the truck and connect it to the other LED light. I don't want any cables on the truck bed, and that's one of the reasons why I did, is to do it under the truck instead of having wires on the truck bed. So let's go to the truck bed and show you what we're going to do. All right, so let's get in the truck bed and show you guys what I did. So the first thing I did, I utilized this hole already, this existing hole in the truck bed, and with this fish tape, I pull a string where I'm gonna pull the wire down to under the truck bed. And so, I mean, this facilitates the process. Instead of having wires laying everywhere, I just now gonna use the extension that I made. I'm just gonna tape this the string, and then my camera guy is gonna pull it for me, and then I just bring it across the bed to the other side so I can do the connections. We were debating where to install the lights, or where the lights would give us more illumination in the truck bed. And here probably would have been ideal, but if we put it here, it probably would peel off, or it would be harder to make sure that this is glued to here. And I don't want to make any holes in the truck bed. Then we decided to do it here. But if we do it here, this is going to be on the way for the truck bed cover. So what we decided to do instead is put them under here. And I think it gives it a nicer look, a cleaner look, and it's plenty of light. This light will illuminate up to here, and the other one will illuminate up to here. So we'll show you at nighttime how it looks, but I think this is the perfect location for it. And then I can utilize everything in the bed. Let's go ahead and pull. If you could please pull the wire through, that would be awesome, man. As always, make sure before you glue anything, make sure that you clean it with alcohol, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean the surface where I'm gonna install the LED lights with alcohol, and then I'll go ahead and put them there. All right, folks, I went ahead and cleaned with alcohol the edge where I'm going to glue the LED lights, and now I'm gonna glue them. The wire is already fished through, which, you know, that was done prior to this, and now let's just go ahead and glue them. I'm gonna glue them right here on the edge. I'm gonna start from here. Now that the LED light is glued right here under the rail, Now I'm gonna push the wires in like this. I'm gonna wedge them towards here. So now it will have a nice clean look. That's a restaurant. I'm promoting the restaurant. My cousin's restaurant in Brazil is right here, guys. Folks, there's a restaurant in, oh my God, where's the name of the place? Maringá. It's in Maringá, Brazil. That's the restaurant right there.
So if you happen to be road tripping, stop
in Maringá, Brazil, go visit them. Actually, great music, great crowd. It's always crowded, by the way. It's always a line to get in because of the music. And the food is amazing. The drinks, I can't, oh my God, the drinks. But yeah, the food is amazing. So here it is. We went ahead and installed the LED light right here under this rail. It looks part of the truck. Actually, it looks pretty good, right? Let me show you where I'm feeding the wires. Let's see. So, I'm feeding the wires. I'm gonna hit and wedge the wires here, right? And then I'm gonna feed them through. Can you just pull a little bit? Just pull more. Keep pulling, keep pulling. All right, that's good enough. That's good enough. And we actually put a grommet in here so the wire doesn't rub against the truck bed and we don't get broken wires and failure lights. So here it is. Here how it looks. So it looks OEM. It doesn't look like we put LED lights in the truck bed. And once I hit those wires further, it's gonna look beautiful. All right. So let me get to it and we'll show you the end result. Actually not. It's not. The end result is not done yet because I need to connect the wires under the truck. All right, folks, I went ahead and fished the wires through the bed, under it, and we have all the wires here. So now we're just gonna connect them and then go to the engine bay and connect them to the switchboard. All right, let's get to it. This is one LED light, and this is the second LED light. And now they're all connected. I'm gonna just tighten them up over here and go to the engine bay. You know, if my camera guy were to give me some tape, you know, I can just tape it over here and then he can pull it to the other side. But, you know, that would be nice if you can please give me some tape so I can tape this up and you pull it.
Cut!
Thank you, sir.
Action.